We'll guide you through how to fix low Bluetooth volume issues on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as you then can't go and hear much music or a video you're trying to watch. So we'll guide you through some different things you can try doing to fix this. So first of all, come onto your volume control here and make sure you've increased it. Press the three dots in the top of that bar like so, and you'll get these different controls. And what you want to do is go and drag up the media one like so. Then go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, then what you want to try doing is opening up your settings. Find connections at the top, go and find Bluetooth. Come to the device you're connected to and press the gear or cog icon to the right. And then what you want to try doing is going to the bottom here and you want to go and press Unpair. Then press Unpair again. Then what you want to do is go and turn off Bluetooth on the device and you can go and turn it back on. Then we can come onto the device, whether it's headphones or the speaker, and we can go and reconnect. We may need to press scan in the top and then we can go and pair to it. After you've connected again, you can then see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, then what we're going to try doing is restarting both devices. So I'll go and turn this one off. And on the phone here, I'll tap and hold the side power button, press restart and restart again and wait. If the Bluetooth device doesn't have a way to restart it, you may be able to go and do a reset on it. What we can do is turn the device back on and reconnect to it. Hopefully now the problem is solved. If you found this useful, then leave a like.